Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today is the day we're gonna paint the Cobra. So last time we got the car sanded down, we got a block, and everything turned out really good. This time we're gonna paint it. And last time I told you guys we picked the color, but I didn't show it to you. So let me show you guys the color we're going with. So here's the color.
What?
Just kidding. This is actually gonna be the sealer. So we got gray sealer because the color we're going with needs a gray sealer. It needs a dark sealer behind it to make that other color pop. So let me show you the other color we got.
I'm just messing with this, haven't I?
So this is the other color, and we actually went with another gray.
Wow.
And this one has a lot of metallics in it. And pretty much we're gonna go a satin, so it's not gonna be glossy. It's gonna make this gray turn good. I don't know, I've seen pictures online. I didn't want to go too flashy. We wanted like a nice dark color. That's gonna be the theme of the car. It's gonna be pretty much murdered out.
Blacked out, yeah.
But pretty much we're not gonna know exactly what it looks like until we get it painted. So we got everything waxed and greased. We're gonna tack cloth. We're gonna put about 2 coats of sealer on it. We're gonna let that flash, and then put the paint on it, and then we're gonna put clear. So we got a lot of painting to do. Let's get straight to it. Alright, so just like that, we got the paint finally put on. So we put a little bit of sealer on, and that made it darker, and then now this paint made it even darker. It's looking really good. We're ready to put some of the matte clear on this thing, and we'll see how it turns out. Let's keep working. Alright, so just like that, we got the matte clear on. It looks like it has no clear on it, but it does, so it's protected. It's not going to wash away the paint. What do you guys think? I'm liking it. You know, it's looking good. It's going to stand out. Not too flashy, but not too subtle. I think once put all together, it's going to look really good. Because we haven't told you what kind of interior we have too. And there is an accent color to this. I don't know if you guys would, you guys can guess what little color we're going to have, just to make it pop a little bit more. But I'm surprised the clear laid down really easy, really well. It went down wet, and then when it dried up, it dulled out. So it looks good, and we're ready to start get the body inside and do the same thing and get that thing painted, because before you know it, Christmas is here. So we gotta keep working on schedule. we're gonna get the body inside and do the same process. So let's get to it.
Where's Ivan? He's inside the Cobra. Do what you gotta do. Yeah.
All right, so just like that, we got the body in the paint booth. We got it taped up so we have no additional trash flying out of there or over there or out of the trunk lid. Got all the little holes taped up. It's looking good. We waxed and greased it. So this one, we're gonna do the same process. We're gonna put the sealer on it too, about 2 coats of sealer. We're gonna let that flash or dry, and then we're ready for our base coat. So let's get straight to work and get some paint on this thing.
Dang guys, and there it is. It is finally painted. Our body has color to it. And honestly, it's definitely looking good. It's very unique. We didn't go for the classic blue or candy red or anything like that, but honestly, this is gonna stand out from all the other Cobras.
I mean, you'll hear it coming, you won't see it coming until it gets close.
We blacked out. I mean, this is like, you gotta look twice, like, whoa, what was that? You know, it's not just like some shiny and glossy, like, hey, look at me, but at the same time, you know it's good, you know it looks good. So it's like a sleeper for a Cobra, but I like it. Honestly, it turned out wonderful. It looks very soft, all the curves on it. Wow, it's so unique, but that's all the time we have today, guys. We have it painted, there it is, there's the color, there's the progress. We still have plenty of work ahead of us, but we'll catch you next time.